Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Yahoo Mail if you're not receiving emails. So first, you want to go here to the left sidebar and then you want to go on spam. Then you want to check your spam if there are any emails here, because sometimes you've actually received the email but you weren't able to see it because it went directly to spam. But if it's not there, just want to go back and then we're going to go to the settings. If you're using Windows, you'll be able to locate settings here at the left sidebar. But since I'm using a MacBook, my settings is over here at the top right corner. So let's just go to settings. Then you want to locate filters. Then you just want to go through your filters. You might want to double check that because you might have had put a filter that sent your emails directly through the trash. But if you don't have any problem with your filters, then let's go ahead and check on security and privacy. Then you want to also check if you have any blocked addresses, because you might have to block the address that you're anticipating to receive an email from. So if you block their address, so obviously you cannot receive any emails from them. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to mailboxes. Then you want to click on your email here. Then you want to double check your email address because you might have had sent the wrong email address. Perhaps you've made a spelling mistake. That's why they were actually sending you the email, but they sent it to the wrong address because you've gave them the wrong email address. So you just want to go ahead and check on that as well. And after you troubleshoot your Yahoo Mail, hopefully it fixes the problem and you finally receive your email. So that's it. Thanks for watching.